Our candidates in Harold Fernandez Design. our gown sponsor for today's event, Harold Fernandez, our reigning Miss Bicolandia Share Ami Queen. Everyone, so what a wonderful glittery gown from Miss Harold Fernandez. So thank you so much, Mama Harold, for definitely giving us or being very generous to us. And of course, she will be also be with us in the coronation night to relinquish her crown. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to also thank our board of judges. Ate BJ de Veluz de Asis, thank you so much. Mama Aga Rignon, Sir John C. Pineda, Sarah Grace General, Jaren Carmi Raimundo, and of course, Julian Aguilardo for gracing us your presence for this evening. So ladies and gentlemen, I will now proceed to the announcement of the Best in Talent as she prepares to the pageant night as she performs in that evening. So here's the result. So our best in talent for today's competition, who will be also getting 5,000 pesos on the pageant night is candidate number or aspirant number. It's you, aspirant number 15, John Gayaon of Daet Camarines Norte. Congratulations, John D, for winning the Best in Talent. What a very inspiring dance that you gave us this afternoon. And right now, we will be joined by our reigning Miss Bicolandia 2022, and of course, our project chairman, Nico Castillo Bautista and Precious Janelle Arimado Merlin for the official sashing and pinning of their official numbers. And right now, our very first official candidate is Limverly Kendra Chua of Polangi, Albay. And our next candidate is Pia Albo Bare of Milaor, Camarines Sur. We also have Miyuki Chris of Municipality of Irusin, Province of Sorsogon. We also have Cheska Dane of Province of Sorsogon. We also have Jopay Seo Duliero of Calabanga, Camarines Sur. We also have Roji Jaime Yanela of Daet Camarines Norte. We also have Miss V. Pagirigan of Sorsogon City. And we also have our official candidate from Naga City, Rachel Katura. You're one of our official candidates, Mia Angela Ranosa of OWAS Albay. We also have Marvs Del Socorro, the municipality of Pili. And of course, you are in Antoinette Sapo of Pulangi, Albay. And we also have John Dayaon of Camarines Norte. And of course, Aris Pareñas from Daet Camarines Norte. And we are also being joined by Rain Belbes of San Fernando, Camarines Sur. And we are also being joined as official candidate by Cassie Joy Salinel of Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Congratulations, because you are in Aluluhimor of Tabaco, Albay. And to complete the 17 official candidates, we have Abby Mendez of City of Naga. Seems that 17 is a lucky number this year for both Miss Bicolandia and Miss Gay Bicolandia have 17 official candidates. Let's all give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. So once again, we would like to thank the City Government of Naga for making this event possible. Of course, with the help of our Mayor, Honorable Nelson Legacion. So let's now proceed to the photo op with the panel of the Board of Judges along with our official candidates. Once again, we would like to thank City Government of Naga, headed by Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and of course our Vice Mayor Nene de Asis, which is also being helped by our Honorable Councilor Elmer Baldemoro. And of course, we would like to give thanks to CEPPIO, being headed by our Alan Rayon Danga. Thank you so much for being very inclusive and accepting for the LGBT community of the City of Naga.
Let's celebrate Peña Francia Fiesta 2023. August 26, 6 p.m. Miss Bicolandia Public Presentation at Vista Mall, Naga. August 27, 5 p.m. Miss Gay Bicolandia Public Presentation, Vista Mall, Naga. September 2, 6 p.m. Miss Bicolandia Swimsuit and Evening Gown Competition, Robinson's Place, Naga. September 6, 7 p.m. Miss Bicolandia Coronation Night, JMR Coliseum. September 7, 7 p.m. Miss Gay Bicolandia Coronation Night, JMR Coliseum. September 8, 3 p.m. Peña Francia Translacion Procession from Old Shrine of Our Lady of Peña Francia to Naga Metropolitan Cathedral. September 8 to 16, 4 p.m. Tagboan Food, Music and Arts Fest, Naga City Hall Grounds. September 9, 7 a.m. First Bicol Regional CTP, MAPE, DRRM Parade Competition and DBC, DLC and Majorettes Exhibition from Panganiban Drive to Plaza Quezon. September 10, 7 a.m. Regional Majorettes DBC and Band Exhibition, Plaza Quezon and Bicol Tattoo Arts Festival, Tagboan Festival Site, Naga City Hall Grounds at 8 a.m. September 13, 7 a.m. Scouts Parade and DXMC Competition from Panganiban Drive to Plaza Quezon, 3 p.m. First Naga City Inter-School Mass Dance Competition, Plaza Quezon, and at 6 p.m. Bicol Cosplay Arena, Tagboan Festival Site, Naga City Hall Grounds. September 14, 7 a.m. Civic and Float Parade from Panganiban Drive to Plaza Quezon, and at 2 p.m. Peña Francia Boyadoras Festival Street and Pilgrims Dance Competition from Naga Metropolitan Cathedral to Plaza Quezon. September 15, 7 a.m. 13th Bicol Regional Military Parade from Panganiban Drive to Plaza Quezon. And finally on September 16, Traslacion Padanlugan from Naga Metropolitan Cathedral to Reina del Bicol Landing at 3 p.m. and Peña Francia Fluvial Procession from Reina del Bicol Landing to Basilica Minore of Our Lady of Peña Francia via Naga River at 5 p.m. Naga na! Uswag pa! Peña Francia! The Peña Francia Festival Civic Events is brought to you by the City Government of Naga, headed by Mayor Nelson S. Ligacion and Vice Mayor Nelly Diasis. The Peña Francia Festival Civic Events is brought to you by the City Government of Naga, headed by Mayor Nelson S. Ligacion and Vice Mayor Nelly Diasis. Platinum sponsors: Water Tray, Summit Hotel, official residence of Miss Bicolandia 2023, Santerra Residences Naga by Vista Estates. Sapphire sponsors: Coca-Cola, San Miguel Brewery, Suzuki Philippines Incorporated, Futura by Philinvest, South Star Drug, Deca Homes, Uma Residences, and Robinson's Naga. Pearl sponsors: Development Bank of the Philippines, Ver1 Rev Enterprises, Ioni Mineral Drops, LCC Mall, Quantrix, Caramel Bake Shop, and Mark Cafe. Ruby sponsors: Jollibee, SM City Naga, Pepsi Cola, Mang Inasal, Nature Spring, Villa Caceres Hotel, Carl's Catering, Chowking, Land Bank of the Philippines, Lotus Blue Hotel, PhilHealth, Ginebra San Miguel, Hotel Sogo, PLDT, and DLTV Co., the official transport service of Miss Bicolandia 2023. Patrons: Dermis Incorporated, Nagaland Development Corporation, IBM, Mega Fishing Corporation, Moraville The Gardens, and Yellow Cub. The Peña Francia Festival Civic Events is brought to you by the City Government of Naga, Residences, and Robinson's Naga. Pearl sponsors: Development Bank of the Philippines, Ver1 Rev Enterprises, Ioni Mineral Drops, LCC Mall, Quantrix, Caramel Bake Shop, and Mark Cafe. Ruby sponsors: Jollibee, SM City Naga, Pepsi Cola, Mang Inasal, Nature Spring, Villa Caceres Hotel, Carl's Catering, Chowking, Land Bank of the Philippines, Lotus Blue Hotel, PhilHealth, Ginebra San Miguel, Hotel Sogo, PLDT, and DLTV Co., the official transport service of Miss Bicolandia 2023. Patrons: Dermis Incorporated, Nagaland Development Corporation, IBM, Mega Fishing Corporation, Moraville The Gardens, and Yellow Cub.